Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you for dropping by. On this episode, I'm going to teach you how to do any graphic design through your phone, through the using of pixellab app. You will learn how to do any kind of graphic design on your mobile phone. Like I said in my previous episodes, most of the designs that we take out to people to do for us at the shop, at the business centers, these are the designs we can actually do on our own. I would like to congratulate you for making it to my channel today, and I wanted to pay attention to every steps and every stage. If you can see the screen right now, these are what you can do on your mobile phone, and without paying a dime to any shop designers. It's what you can do at the corner of your house, you can do at the corner of your bed, you can do without paying anybody. I did something like this for a particular shop, and I was paid. So, and this is going to be our motivation and our inspiration for today's training. So, if you have been following my channel for some times now, and you will know that I say something about pixellab app that you need. For Android user, you can download on your Play Store. For iPhone user, you can also download it on Apple Store. It is called pixellab. So I hope you go and download it. And if you are new to my page today, if you're new to my channel, please try to subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to view every design details I'll be dropping on this page. You will learn so much on my channel. Now, like I said, this will be our inspiration for today's training, and I will do something like this for you, and I want you to do the same thing after this class and send it to me. Yes, so I said something about pixellab, and that's what we'll be using today. So if you don't have it, go and download it. This is my pixellab on my phone. Now, don't forget our inspiration. Our inspiration is this: a red background, a shoe, shop now, code, and the dots. All these things might look kind of difficult, or may not believe it that this you can use a phone to do this, but I will show you how you can achieve this without going to any business center, or to go to meet any professional designer, any professional graphic designer to do this for you. So follow me. Now, first thing we need to achieve here is what is our background, which is red. So anytime you want to do anything about background pictures, you come to here. Can you see where I'm rolling this timer? Yes, click on it. It shows transparent. Transparent is removing the previous one, then we select the color, we give it the color. Also, you can come to the top here with 3 dotted line to select image size which you can put as let's say 120 1280 by 16. No, this is too small. We can say image size 2000 by 16. Yes, I think we achieved the size 2000 by 1680. Will go well with us. Okay. Now we've achieved the first stage, which is the background color and the size of our image. Okay. The next thing for us is to go to import, to import our image, the images we intend to use, which is the shoe. Now, if you look at this image very well, you realize that it's on black background, and which has already covered the red background that we want to use. So what will you do? On my previous episodes, I've explained how you can remove background from your image, because right now this image you are looking at, it's useless for us because of the background. So what we need to do right now is to take out the background from this image. Now, I said for you to remove a background from your image, you go to your browser, then you type remove background, then you come to the upload, you click on the upload, then you select the image you want to remove the background, then it automatically deletes the background for you. I hope you are getting it. Then you go back to your design, you import again the image on your design. Can you see? It is very simple. Now, don't forget our inspiration, don't forget our motivation, which is this. Now we've achieved the second stage. Now we need to now type our the word is the content on this design. We need to type it out on our design. So like I said, anytime you want to type something on your design, you come to this tool, which is showing A here. When you click on it, then you go to text. Can you see text? Then you click on text. Then text will bring out a white page for you like this, where you can easily type. Don't forget our new arrivals. If that's the first, then you go back to your text again. You see big sales. This is very simple, guys. Big sales, then put it there, and we have the shop now. And if you notice that before the shop now, which is a black, there is a background which is yellow, which means we need a background that we are going to write something on. Then this will take us to the center key. This center key deals with shapes of any kind, because we need a rectangular background for our shop now. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to this shape button, Can you see this shape button? Then you click on the shape button. Then you know what you need, right? You need a rectangular shape. And you put the rectangular shape here. And if you look at it very well, you will realize that it is not 100% graded at the edge. I mean, it's not four corner, it's what a little bit bent, which means then because we are trying to achieve the same thing that we have here, then you go back to your design, you see the radius sign here, then you can easily adjust the size. Can you see now? Can you see? Achieved that. Now what's the next thing? If this one is showing white for us and we know we want to achieve what? Yellow. Then what do you have to do? You go to our color, then we select the yellow. Now that's stage what? Stage 4. Then let's go back to our motivation again. Then we achieve 1 and then we have 2. Now shop. Now we go to our text, we type our shop now. We go to our shop, sorry about that, we go to our shop now, then we take it to what? To our design. Now it's white and we know it's black on our motivation, on our inspiration. Then we go to color, we change it to black. Now what's the next thing? The website has www.abc.com. Then we put it there. Now what next? Call now is the next thing. You go to call what? Call now. Then the next thing is what? The next thing is what? Is a phone number, which is 0800000. Then we put it there. Now I think we are doing something right now. There are, when you look at our, what is this for? When you look at our inspiration, you realize that there are some dots on our design. Then how do we get that? You go back to your import. If you, all those dots is what you can get online. Can you see? Now this one is what I downloaded online. I went on Google and I typed it there that I need dot sign, and I was given this. But this is useless for me right now. So what will I do? You remember, you go to your browser, you write, you upload, then once you upload, then you download. Now then you go back to your design, then you import. Can you see? So this is very simple, guys. Then we'll put it, we are still going to arrange our Don't worry, we're still gonna arrange everything to look the same way. Then you arrange now. Now, before I move forward, if you look at it very well, though we don't actually get the real size of this one, but we are still designing the same thing. Now, if you look at this one very well, you realize that they have a kind of beautiful font. Now we are going to achieve the same font on our words, on our design. Now let's go to big cells. We want to change the font, so you look for your font here. You look for your font here, then you select your font, which is this font. Then you select your font, big cells. Okay, that's good. And the size might be too big, so we can reduce the size to this. However, let's reduce the size so that we can achieve the same thing. Now the big cells, we can still reduce the size. Also, we reduce the size of shop. Now we can also reduce the size um, of our shape by dragging in or dragging out. Now I think once you know you are done, once you know you've already set your object, which is shop now, on this background, so that it won't affect each other anymore, so that when you are moving the background, it will not affect what you are writing on it. So what you need to do is to go to this button here, this tool here, then you click, then you lock. Can you see how I'm clicking lock? I lock this one, which is the background, the yellow background, and the shop now. Then you lock it together. Then you select this two here, to select it. Then you lock them. Then you come back here and you click. Then you OK. So what does that mean now? It means that whenever I'm moving this, I'm moving both of them together. Are you following? I'm moving both of them together so that one will not be affecting each other, because the purpose is to make sure that the shop now stays on the what, on the background. Now I think we are moving forward. Call me now. The ABC, the website, we can still reduce the size. You can use the negative button to reduce the size. You can use the positive button to increase the size. Then let's go back to our motivation again. Okay. Call me now is big. Call now is big. I show you how to move your objects using positioning. Using position. This is position. You can use it to move your object around. Now let's check if you are getting it. Okay, I think it's closer to the edge of our design, and this one also is closer. It's different. Let's check the font. The font is big. The font is big, so you can increase the font a little bit and change the font, or we just bold. We can bold the column now. Can you see? So now then we take don't forget our dots is just like adjacent to shop now. Then we've achieved that one. move our big cells, to here, arrival, remove it also, so that we can achieve a better design. Can you see we are making sense now? We are making what? We are making sense. Now, you might be wondering, how do we get this circle, and don't worry, we are going there. Now, we are looking for two circles, right? The white and the what and the yellow. Now, I said anytime you want to deal with anything about shape, you come to shape button, then you click on your shape. Then on your shape, you will select the circle, which is what? Which is white. Then you move it to the right position. You know, the inner is red, the outer is white. Then you copy, look for copy here. So can you see copy here? Then you copy it. Then you move it again. Now, this one, when you move it, you reduce the size a little bit than the former one. Then you move it before you move it, you change the color. Change the color to what? To red. Change to red. Then you move it gradually to the center. Can you see we achieve it? Now, same also, we are looking for what? Another this one, you can copy it. You copy, you change the color to yellow. Change the color to yellow. Then you move it down to where you need it. Right? Then also you copied it, you move it down, then you change the color to what? To red. Then you reduce the size a little bit to be smaller than that one, so that you can be able to move it on